So you start with a regular box stitch, nothing unusual, and you want to take two yellow strings, say like this, and now instead of taking the lime string, do a regular box stitch, you go in the other direction. So this lime string, instead of going from over and under and from right to left, will go around and go from left to right. And the same idea with this lime string, instead of going from left to right, go around and go from right to left. And that's going to be the idea for the entire stitch. So I'll go around, say, with lime string underneath two yellows here, you can see. And now I'm going to go over and under. Same goes for the other string. Go around. And then over and under. Which the first stitch is always difficult. Okay, so that's the idea. Hope you can see from one direction, and then once you did this, you're just going to stretch. And you're going to do the same idea always. So I'll make one more stitch, and then I'll just do two more just to show you. So I'm always gonna start with the yellow strings, normal yellow strings, and then I'm gonna go around with a lime strings. So always pick your color at the beginning. Mine is always gonna be the yellow strings, and then you're gonna go around with other color. So I'm going around with this lime, over and under, okay, and then the other lime string, over and under. I'm going to show it two more times, okay? So again, always picking the two yellow strings, and then go around with lime strings, and you see, as more you make it, it'll become clear what to do, because that's how it is always. First stitch is always difficult. So I stretch, and I'll make one more, and then I'm just gonna speed up, show you the result after every few stitches. So picking the lime string, so you can go like this, over and under, and this line over and under here. You can see that the line goes underneath and then goes over and under. And then I stretch. Okay, I'll show you every now and then results, so enjoy. I have here two examples, and you can see that they're pretty much identical. And I think the idea that it bends that way is because we started with a regular box stitch. And, well, because we started with a regular box stitch, and when you make this stitch, eventually I think he likes this direction. I don't really understand why, but it's because we started with regular box stitch that eventually it want to bend. So anyway, it looks kind of like a caterpillar to me, and yeah, that's the idea. Hope you like it and enjoy.